Okay guys, hey, I just wanted to go over this ASIC tool setup real quick and show you guys how to get it done. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have Docker installed. Install it through this page and don't install it through the Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store version is broken. And then make sure you got VS Code, it's going to really help, and have Ubuntu/WSL enabled. Um, First thing we're going to do, go to the command prompt. We're going to put this in. So just simple Windows command prompt. Type this in. Say yes. It's downloading WSL. Okay, now that this is finished installing, let's create our account. So I'm going to do Ryan C. I'll make my password. Okay. And it drops us into this Mount C blah blah blah. So this is your actual hard drive. So you can put things in Mount C, but I recommend not working from here. I recommend going CD, and now you're in the actual Ubuntu home. From here, you're going to edit your bash RC, and make sure at the very end you add the CD. Now if we exit WSL and we enter it again, maybe I have to do this real quick. Sometimes you have to refresh this bash RC file. Okay, so we're going to open command prompt. We're going to go to WSL. Now from here, we're going to go sudo apt update. And now we're going to go sudo apt full upgrade -y. So this is going to install pretty much everything that you could possibly need. Well, I guess not everything, but it installs most of the main Linux tools you'll need. Okay. Now we're going to copy this line, plug this in. This one takes a while. Okay, now that we've done that, we want to make sure that we configure our GitHub. And so what we want to do is we want to do git config -- global user.name, and then I'll put in my name, Ryan Kramer. Okay, and I'll do git config -- global user.email, and I'll put in my email, ryankramer22@gmail.com. Okay, now I can sudo apt install -y open ssh -client. Now I can do ssh keygen, and from here I just hit enter again, and now hit enter again. Now you're done. Okay, now what you do is you copy this and you want to do cat, so that's going to read the file. So now you're going to copy this and go to your GitHub. You're going to go to your settings, and now go to your SSH and GPG keys, and now go new key, and I'll do CARP Linux key. Okay. All right. So now that we've done that, we can run this. So we're going to evaluate and make sure that our agent has an actual PID. So we'll copy this. Okay. So we have a PID. Now we're going to copy this. And if we set everything up right, it's going to print out our GitHub username at the end. So hit enter, say yes. And it spits out my GitHub username. So I did everything right. And now I want to clone these tools here. And so I'll paste these in. So then we're going to run this install script. And then we're going to do /run.sh. And now we're in the container. And I made this pretty simple. So the first thing you could do if you want to make a project, you'll go project. And I can set this to whatever. So I'll go my name. So I can go into Ryan. And inside here, I have a bunch of RTL already instantiated. I can go into my sim folder. I can go into the TB Ryan because it makes a directory for my test bench. I have an empty system verilog file. So that's how to get quick started.